Call screening is a new feature on your iPhone after iOS 26 update where your iPhone will screen unknown callers and you will know who is calling you before you answer the unknown calls. So in this video, let's see how to use it, how to enable it on your iPhone. Okay, so let's start. First of all, for this feature is available on iOS 26. Make sure that your iPhone has it. After that, go to setting and here search for an application called phone. Otherwise, just go ahead and open phone option here. Once you have it, now the next step, just scroll down and here you'll see one option that is screen unknown callers. And under that, there are three options given to you. Never, ask reason for calling, and silence. Never means on your iPhone, the call screening will be disabled. And now if you go ahead, there is an option called ask reason for calling. If you choose that, enable that, basically what your iPhone will do, whenever any unknown caller calls you or call comes on your iPhone, that time a robotic voice will ask that caller that who is calling and what is the purpose. Once that unknown caller replies with a name and the purpose, so that reply will be displayed on your iPhone screen in a text format. So you know who is calling you and what is the purpose. If you know that, just go ahead and answer the call and talk. And last one, that is silence. So any unknown number or unsaved number calls you, automatically that call will be silenced and sent to voicemail, right? And your iPhone will display in recent call history, but that call will be silenced and voicemail will be enabled for that caller. So guys, that's it. I just explained you what is call screening and how it works on your iPhone. One thing, my advice that is use this feature very wisely, because if you're a working professional or a job person, any important call might be coming to you, and if you're using this, that caller might get frustrated and it might have a negative impact. So use it wisely. Otherwise, I hope you like this video, and if yes, please give a like and subscribe for such videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.